To buy Solana on Trust Wallet, start by opening the app and tapping on the settings icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or a gear. From the settings menu, select the option to add a new token or coin, and search for Solana. Once you have added Solana to your wallet, you can proceed to the next step. The next step is to fund your Trust Wallet account with a cryptocurrency that can be used to purchase Solana, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. To do this, tap on the Receive button and copy the wallet address for the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. You can then use this address to send the cryptocurrency from an exchange or another wallet. After your wallet is funded, go to a decentralized exchange or a swap service within the Trust Wallet app, such as the built-in swap feature or a third-party service like PancakeSwap. Select the cryptocurrency you deposited as the token to swap from, and select Solana as the token to swap to. Enter the amount you want to swap and confirm the transaction. It is essential to note that buying Solana on Trust Wallet may involve transaction fees and slippage, which can affect the amount of Solana you receive. Make sure to review the fees and the exchange rate before confirming the transaction. Once the transaction is confirmed, the Solana will be deposited into your Trust Wallet account. You can then use it to interact with Solana-based applications, stake it to earn rewards, or hold it as a long-term investment. It is crucial to keep your Trust Wallet and Solana assets secure by enabling two-factor authentication, using a strong password, and keeping your private keys safe. Additionally, make sure to only use reputable exchanges and services to avoid scams and phishing attempts. By following these steps and best practices, you can buy Solana on Trust Wallet and start exploring the Solana ecosystem. Always stay informed about market conditions and the latest developments in the cryptocurrency space to make informed decisions about your investments.